Kalashnikov takes a major leap forward with the successful testing of its latest remote control system for the Konkurs M guided anti-tank missile. This innovation is designed to enhance crew safety and significantly boost the effectiveness of Russian forces in anti-tank operations. The Konkurs M, part of the Soviet-era AT-5 Spandrel missile family, is renowned for its power and reliability. It can engage a variety of targets, from main battle tanks to low-flying helicopters. However, the wire-guided system requires operators to remain close to the launcher, exposing them to enemy fire. To solve this, Kalashnikov has developed a portable console weighing under 10 kilograms, allowing operators to control up to 3 launchers remotely from a safe distance. This setup significantly reduces risks while enhancing tactical flexibility. Early reports indicate the system can be deployed in just 20 minutes, enabling units to respond quickly and catch adversaries off guard. Initial tests simulated real combat conditions, including counter-battery threats like drones and artillery fire. The results were promising, showing precise targeting and robust performance. The ability to position launchers in concealed locations while operating remotely adds a critical layer of protection for personnel and equipment. By integrating modernized guidance systems with proven missile technology, Russia aims to solidify its status as a leader in anti-tank weaponry. The new remote control system for the Konkurs M not only revolutionizes anti-tank combat, but also ensures greater safety and confidence for frontline troops, a game changer for modern warfare.